So there's down. Back up. Goes back down. It struggles. Goes back up. And then it stops right there, so you can see that it doesn't go back in all the way. So the reason for that is because there's some play right there. There's some play right there that doesn't let it go in right here. And it needs a retaining clip all the way up here for it to not do that. Problem is, they don't sell those clips, so I put this piece of paper here to prevent it from going down when it's trying to come back down. So yeah, that's what I got going on right there. It seems to be a good temporary fix, but definitely not a permanent one.